Welcome back, guys. Today I'm taking a look at Linux Lite 2.8. Now, I've had Linux Lite on my computer in one form or another, going back to 2.4. And I've always liked it. A couple of things I had asked if they could be changed, and Jerry over at Linux Lite, he is working on the one that I asked about. I think that it may be included in 3.0, and that's a EUFI install option. But since I am using legacy install on this particular hard drive, I have a few distributions, but the one that I'm using daily for most of my Linux requirements is Linux Lite. Now, I went through as I said, I had 2.8 beta, and I went through the upgrade process. They have a wonderful series upgrade option. And if you take a look at in the Linux Lite Control Center, they have the Lite upgrade. So you can click on that. If you're running the beta, you can click on that and it'll bring you right up to the 2.8 final release. Now, as you can see, not many Linux distributions actually put this time and effort into proprietary options that other distributions really don't offer in the same way. In many distributions, all of these options are offered, but they're fragmented. They're not all put together in one place. Linux Lite, the developers over at Linux Lite, have put together the Linux Lite Control Center. And if you're coming from Windows, wow, this is amazing, because everything that you were used to in Windows has an option or a similar option here. Now, it's kind of like the control panel, but in my opinion, Linux Lite Control Center runs circles around Windows, because it gives you, on the computer tab, you have all of the information related to your computer. You have desktop, all the desktop configuration options that you could ever want. For software, as I said, you can edit your sources, install updates. There is a light software option where you can install popular packages very easily without any issues at all. For hardware, you've got the drivers option. Now, if you have NVIDIA or Broadcom, as I do, this is a lifesaver. They put everything together for you in the hardware tab to make things as easy as possible during your configuration. For networks, you can browse your networks, edit your shares, turn on your firewall, and take a look at all of your network connections. And then you've got your system configuration, which is pretty much everything you could possibly need. Now, they have put together such a wonderful system. Pretty much everything is taken care of. It's based on XFCE. And as you can see, some of the issues that you might have with moving from Windows to Linux would be streaming video and playing your games and things like that. But with Linux Lite, everything is handled very easily. You've got your Hulu streaming option, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and not only that, but I downloaded the new version and I burned it to a USB, and I am running it on my Chromebook. My Chromebook is running Linux Lite 2.8, and it's running terrific, absolutely terrific. Now, in this case, I elected to stay with the plain Linux Lite panel along the bottom. I've got all of my system tray options that I usually install, and I've installed some of my frequently used programs right into the panel. And it's as easy as right-clicking on the item in your XFCE whisker menu and click Add to Panel, or Add to Desktop, or Add to Favorites. Makes it very easy. Now, I installed Wine because I wanted to play Hearthstone, and everything runs absolutely wonderfully. I can't say enough good things about Linux Lite 2.8. If you are considering making the switch, this would be one that you would want to take a look at. It's just absolutely fantastic. If you need help, they have a wonderful community. It's put the distribution is organized and set up wonderfully to make it very, very intuitive. And as I said, if you're looking to make the switch from Windows to Linux, by all means, take a look at Linux Lite 2.8. And as I said, if you need any assistance, just get onto the browser, go over to Linux Lite forum, and you'll get plenty of help. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a wonderful distribution. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon, guys. Take care.